Lalagyanan po natin ng sweets. Bagong bili ko po yan sa surplus and it's cheap. Wow, jackpot for me, yeah? Happy Mother's Day!
To like and subscribe, will you? Thanks!
Yeah. It's Mother's Day. Kumusta po ang inyong Mother's Day, all mothers out there? Me, living in a far-flung the easiest thing for me to say is that ngayon po nahihilig ako sa surplus. Why? As you may know, doon po sa Malaysia, hindi uso ang surplus. From Japan, from South Korea, minsan may naliligaw na from England. Yeah. So, this Mother's Day, I gifted myself, with surplus. Ang unang-una ko po na binili this Mother's Day ay this one. Why? Ay nako, alam niyo po ang aking mga baso-baso. Mga gara-gara pong maliliit, pinaglagyan po ng Cheese Whiz, Ladies Choice, and walang hawakan. So, dumaan po ako doon sa aking paboritong binibilhan ng surplus. Yeah. Tumingin po ako ng mug. But then, I saw this. May nakasulat po siyang chocolate. And I bought it. So, pag iinom po tayo ngayon ng kape, easier. Kasi, you no longer hold like this kasi wala nga pong handle yung aking mga iniinuman. Tapos, pag medyo may tubig sa loob, medyo moist, at nilagyan mo po yun ng mainit na tubig, pang! Basag. This one, it's quite thick. Yeah? There you go. And dahil I told you, I'm living in a far-flung, hindi katulad where I lived. Yeah, in Malaysia. I'm still living there, but I'm here for some reason that I cannot disclose, okay? Because it's private. Doon, Mother's Day, of course, it's a big city. Lahat ng kailangan mo nandun, so long as you have money. So, in here, wala akong mapuntahang iba, mga kainan, turo-turo, mga ganyan, kaya nating lutuin sa bahay. May pizza rin naman, pilihan ng pizza, may burgers, and buy one free one, and ang liliit. I can make burger, you know? Yeah. So, ang mga pinagbibili ko, surplus from Japan, but then, unique at makakapal. Yeah. This is what I gifted myself this Mother's Day. And of course, may dalaga. pumunta ako sa Piso Wi-Fi. Because you know, I don't have access of electricity here. For sure, of course, walang Wi-Fi. And I know that my dalaga will send me Mother's Day message. I have it. Yeah. And then, of course, naglakad-lakad ako because from here, papuntang bayan is quite far. Mga 2.5, 4.5 kilometers. Yeah. Look. Ah, ang kapal. Nahihilig ako ngayon sa surplus na kainan. Sinasamantala bago umuwi ng Malaysia, bago bumalik sa Malaysia, marami akong madadala dahil doon hindi uso ang surplus. At doon, ang kainan, ang mamahal. I mean like platos like this, bowls, mugs, not cheap. Ganda. And my jackpot find is this one. Designed in Germany. Ang tawag nila sa porcelain is porcelain. It's porcelain. Not expensive at all. Will cost you a fortune in Malaysia, you know. From Germany. That's why naa-addict ako sa surplus. May isa pa from Japan. Just a second. And may isa pa from the USA. Actually po yun ay pizza plate. Yeah. Oh, hindi ka pa makakabili sa Malaysia ng ganun. But dito, nakabili ako. I'm happy. I'll show you. My Pizza Hut plate. But I can use it for something else. Hindi naman tayo kakain ng pizza every day, right? It's porcelain. Look. Safe for dishwasher. Microwave. Safe for microwave. Safe for freezer. Safe for oven. I bought 4. How much? Let me tell you. ₱120. Do you believe? Huh. Really happy. Apat na lang po ang natira. Binili ko po lahat. And the other one from Japan. Ang kapal. Fish. How do you say fish in Japanese? Who knows? Of course you know. Sakana. Sakana. Yeah. Pag dito, sakana. Sakana lang. Yeah. いいですね. Very happy find. These are what I gifted myself this Mother's Day. So, Katatapos ko lang po magpakain ng aking organic chicken. That's why you can see. Butas pa. Yeah. And then, here I am. How I wish, if you are a mother, you have children or you have a child, how you wish. Ewan ko kung ganun ang lahat ng kaisipan ng mga mothers, how you wish. Nakasama nyo ngayon yung inyong anak. In my case, ang hilig sa Malaysia pag may mga okasyong ganyan is kain. Really kain ang hilig. Yeah? In Malaysia, I have everything that I wanted. Yeah. So, dito, talagang, nahihilig ako. Talagang surplus. Yeah. Nakaupo tayo dito. Tag-init. At bukas, national election for the Philippines para po sa mayors. Is it with congressmen and senators? But I know senators and mayors. Yeah? Opa! See you on the next Mother's Day. Sabi ng mga Bisaya, puhon. God willing, mahaba pa ang takbuhin sa buhay. Stay healthy, mothers. Stay sharp in mind. And be fearless. In what sense? Ay, walang dapat katakutan kung hindi ka naman gumagawa ng masama, right? Yeah. So, happy Mother's Day! See you on the next video. Have a lovely, lovely day ahead.